So you want to become unrecognizable. You don't want to remain the same person who procrastinates all the time and does nothing with his life. You have made the right choice to click on this video, as we will dive deep on how you could become the person you wish to be. And if you stick till the end of this video, I will teach you some ways you could apply to transform your life in 3 weeks. You have to realize that this journey of transforming yourself isn't going to be easy. It's not gonna come to you just because you want it. But it will take everything you have. It will take effort, action, and many risks to make it come true. The first step to transform your life is to go ghost mode. This doesn't mean that you should completely quit socializing, but you need to get your priorities straight. You need time alone to truly focus on your goals. Dedicate a few months to truly lock in and to truly attack these goals. Look, if you are feeling down in life because you are weak and procrastinating, that thought alone should make you angry and sick. You have to come to a state that you can no longer tolerate this burden anymore. Take a decision to truly attack your goals with consistency. Use anger and frustration as your motivation. With that mindset of not being able to tolerate your flaws anymore is going to drastically change your life. Second step is to change your identity. As long as your identity stays the same, the way you act, feel, and live won't change. You will always fall back into the old bad habits. So reflect on how you currently see yourself and identify aspects you want to change. Let go of people's expectations and focus on what truly matters to you. Think deeply of the identity that you want to adopt. Then start changing your identity by small, actionable steps. For example, let's say you want to change your identity to a fit person. And every time you go to the gym and train as hard as possible, think of it as you are increasing your well-being by 1%. And that alone shall give you reason to keep going until you reach the result you desire. You might see people around you that are always satisfied with their lives. The way they act and feel is very different. But you have to realize that these people had to put in the work to truly become the person they desired. They removed all kinds of bad habits in order to make it happen. You see, successful people start before they are ready. You must understand the importance of starting now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, as you are wasting so much opportunities. You see, as long as you are alive and healthy, there are infinite opportunities. So for the sake of your endless potential, you must never miss any opportunities to grow. Set your goals high and execute them as soon as possible. The crucial part of transforming yourself is to take action right now. This is going to be the greatest transformation of our lives. And how are we going to do it? By upgrading ourselves every day. By working out every day doesn't only benefit you physically, but most importantly mentally. By constantly working out every day, you will grow your discipline muscle. That means that at everything you do in life, whether if it's physical training or an important task, your discipline muscle will help you get it done, regardless of the circumstances. There's much more I could teach you about how you could become more disciplined, but I will save it for a different video. If you want to know more about this topic, let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel. The key to improving your life is to keep company only with people who uplift you, and that their presence calls forth your best. Don't hold yourself back with people who wish to not do anything with their lives. Cut these people out of your life and surround yourself with winners. People who are ambitious and that push you to be better. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to show some love. Until next time.